Introduction. Python is a high-level, interpreted scripting language developed in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum at the National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in the Netherlands. The initial version was published at the Alt. Sources News Group in 1991, and version 1.0 was released in 1994. Python 2.0 was released in 2000, and the 2.x versions were the prevalent releases until December 2008. At that time, the development team made the decision to release version 3.0, which contained significant changes that were not backward compatible with the 2.x versions. Features of Python. Python is interpreted. Many languages are compiled, meaning the source code you create needs to be translated into machine code, the language of computer's processor, before it can be run. Programs written in an interpreted language are passed straight to an interpreter that runs them directly. This makes for a quicker development cycle because you just type in your code and run it, without the intermediate compilation step. One potential downside to interpreted languages is execution speed. Programs that are compiled into the native language of the computer processor tend to run more quickly than interpreted programs. Python is free. The Python interpreter is developed under an OSI-approved open-source license, making it free to install, use, and distribute, even for commercial purposes. Python is portable. Because Python code is interpreted and not compiled into native machine instructions, code written for one platform will work on any other platform that has the Python interpreter installed. Expressive language. Python language is more expressive, means that it is more understandable and readable. Object-oriented language. Python supports object-oriented language and concepts of classes and objects come into existence. GUI programming support. Large standard library. Python has a large and broad library and provides rich set of module and functions for rapid application development. Interacting with Python. A program is a sequence of instructions that specifies how to perform a computation. The computation might be mathematical or working with text. To write and run Python program, we need to have Python interpreter installed in our computer. IDLE, GUI. Integrated, is the standard, most popular Python development environment. IDLE is an acronym of Integrated Development and Learning Environment. We are going to show references diagram. Running a Python script from the command line. A Python script is a reusable set of code. It is essentially a Python code contained in a file. You can run the program by specifying the name of the script file to the interpreter. Python scripts are just plain text, so you can edit them with any text editor. Using whatever editor you've chosen. Create a script file called hello.py containing the following. The diagram on screen. Now save the file, keeping track of the directory or folder you choose to save into. Now open the command prompt and type the command like follow. C users, user, documents, test greater than Python hello.py. Hello, world. You can give the file path if directory is not same. C greater than Python C users, user, documents, test, hello.py. Hello, world. Interacting with Python through an IDE. IDLE, Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Most Python installations contain a rudimentary IDE called IDLE. Starting IDLE in Windows. Go to the Start menu and select All Programs or All Apps. There should be a program icon labeled IDLE. Python 3, x32-bit, or something similar. IDLE will open in interactive mode, that means you can directly type the Python instructions it will evaluate immediately. For writing Python script, follow the steps given below. Open a new file by clicking on File to New File. Write your Python code. Save it as py extension. Click on Run to run module or press F5. Output will be shown to the Python shell. Python indentation. Indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of a code line. Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. In C, Java, C# and other language we uses to indicate the block of code. The diagram is now showing on screen. Python will give you an error if you skip the indentation. The number of spaces is up to you as a programmer, but it has to be at least one. You have to use the same number of spaces in the same block of code. Python comments. Comments can be used to explain Python code. Comments can be used to make the code more readable. Comments can be used to prevent execution when testing code. Comments start with a hash symbol. Comments can be placed at the end of a line. To add a multi-line comment, you could insert a hash for each line. Hashtag this is a comment. Print, hello, world. Print, hello, world. Hashtag this is a comment. Hashtag this is. Hash a comment. Hashtag multi-line comment. Print, hello, world. The programming cycle for Python. Python's programming cycle is dramatically shorter than that of traditional tools. In Python, there are no compile or link steps. Because of this, Python programs run immediately after changes are made. The diagram is showing on screen. 1. Write your program or edit. 2. Run program on some inputs, test case. 3. If output is not correct, go to step 1. 4. Repeat the step 2 and 3 for all possible test cases. Elements of Python. A Python program is a sequence of definitions and commands, statements. Commands manipulate objects. Each object is associated with a type. Python statement. An statement is a syntactic unit of a program that expresses some action to be carried out. A statement may have internal components, e.g., expressions. Statements are the instructions that a Python interpreter can execute. Expression. Expression in a Python language is a combination of one or more objects, operators, and functions that the Python interprets and computes to produce another value. Variables and types. Data type in any language is a classification that defines the format and type of data. Python uses objects to capture data, which then can be manipulated by programs to provide information. Every object has following. An identity can be known using id object function. It is the object's address in memory and does not change once it has been created. A type can be checked using type object function. A value. Type, data type. Greater than x equals 120. Greater than id, x. 1,820,061,472. Greater than type, x. Less than class, int, greater than x. 120. Data type can be one of the following. The diagram is now showing on your screen.